This RE/MAX Preferred Associates property video is presented by Derek Westley. This 6-year-old home offers a modern decor and lightwood floors throughout. The floor plan is not only open, but also versatile to your family's needs. The room currently being used as a child's retreat can be used as an office, or a fourth bedroom if that is a need for your family. The master en-suite, which is split from the other bedrooms, offering a lot of natural light. The master bathroom has a double vanity, garden-style tub and a standalone shower. The eat-in kitchen opens to the family room and has an island, breakfast bar, granite countertops, wood cabinets, and black appliances. And yes, the refrigerator is being sold with this property. Come take a look to see if this is your new home. For more information,